To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to read time and alarm name in the sleep mode allowed, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap your current sleep schedule. Tap alarm sound. Next, tap ringtone. And then tap the gray on off switch next to read time and alarm name allowed until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap the back key twice. Tap save button. And then tap done button to save the change. With this setting, now your phone will read the time and alarm name allowed over the selected ringtone as the wake up alarm of the sleep mode rings. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.